now actually, even if yung iba, if not marami, ay parang sinasabi na ngayon na wala nang pag-asa yan. Dahil nga, it's unanimous. But I would say that pwede pa rin. I think they can still do a rethinking and re-examination of these points when the proper motion for reconsideration is filed. And, you know, hoping also that they admit their own mistakes in appreciating certain crucial facts dyan sa usapin. What's wrong with that? That if they admit, kasi, you know, no one is infallible. Nagkakamali rin naman. Even institutions can really commit errors other than individual members of the institution. So I'm really hoping, anyway, hope springs eternal. Hindi ako nawawala ng pag-asa na magkaroon ng talagang pagbabago, at least man lang the majority